not fresh bread. And I bet if I had a big old strong knife and could cut it, I bet it's black in the center. Is that fresh bread? No, that's old bread. That's the reason in Scripture it says, give us this day our daily bread, fresh. And there's two ways that Jesus meant that. One way, he means it literally, bread. Give us our needs. Help our tummies to be full. Help us to not go hungry. That's what Jesus means. But then he means something else too. Spiritually, he said, I'm the bread of life. And he means for us to receive him fresh every day, to learn to know him more every day, to open up our hearts so that he's got access to our lives, that he can come in and be with us close every single day. Fresh bread. That's what Jesus means. And do you know he illustrated it? Do you remember the story that we learned about when the children of Israel were coming out of Egypt and Moses said, let my people go. And then they came out of Egypt and they were wandering in the wilderness and God fed them with manna, and that the manna would grow on the ground and the people would go out and gather it and have their food enough for one day. And he said, don't get enough for just one day. Don't get more. And you know what happened if they took too much and they got more and they were selfish? That bread turned bad. It rotted, it grew stuff on it, and that you couldn't eat it. It's because they weren't doing what God asked them to do. He provides daily bread. He wants to be with you daily, and so that he can give you fresh bread.